I'm continuing with my Wonderland sleeve that Brian has been delicately assisting me with for the past 3 or so years. It's not going to be finished today, but hopefully we'll also see enough of it to see the quality that Brian's putting into it. Reason behind it is I really like the pretty colours. Yeah, I used to think there needed to be some serious philosophical reason behind the tattoo, and then after I got my first one, I had to stop myself from getting almost anything I thought was kind of cool.